Hello, good morning. According to the ongoing helicopter crash of the Iranian president, Rasim, the news have gone all over the world, and right now the Iranian people are suspecting the US government for partaking in crashing down of the Iranian president helicopter that was going to Azerbaijan over the launch of already built Iran and Azerbaijan dam. So that was where the helicopter crashed between Azerbaijan and Iran. So right now, the Iranian people are blaming the US government for shooting down the helicopter. Is this true or is this false? This might be true because why? The US government has been against the Iranian nuclear weapon or nuclear program ever since the day Iran decided to start building nuclear weapons. But whether the Israeli government or the US government like it or not, Iran must become Iran and they must achieve their nuclear goal.